Okay, adding algebraic fractions. So express 5x minus 3 over 2 minus 2x plus 1 over 3. So there's two terms here in this algebraic fraction. So we want to turn it into a one-term single fraction. So we go for the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, and that's 6. And we draw our line, here, and we write 5x minus 3 and 2x plus 1, our minus sign, and we say 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 3 goes into 6 2 times. Multiply those out, we get 15x minus 9, and then we leave minus sign, and we leave this all in the brackets. 2 by 2x is 4x plus 2, and then be careful here now, we have 15x minus 9, break this bracket open, flick the sign, minus 4x, flick the sign, minus 2 over 6 is equal to 11x minus 11 over 6. Let's simplify 9x squared y over 3x. Okay, so let's have a go at that. 1 second. Okay, we'll come to more examples of the fractions in a minute. Okay, so to simplify that, we just write the multiples of 9, 3 times 3 by x squared, which is x by y over 3 by x, and we just cancel those and we get 3xy. We did these in one of the first algebra videos. 12a squared b is 12aaab, or a cubed b, sorry, and ab squared is a by b, so the b will cancel, and one of the a's will cancel. We have 12a squared over b. Okay. And from page 414, I think, I'll check. Yep, page 414, 14x cubed y over 12x squared y. Just write out the terms as you should and see them, and cancel the common ones, okay, with 7x. Okay, so they're kind of self-explanatory, those ones. I want to get on to these ones here. Okay, so question 4. X plus 2 over, plus x plus 3. The lowest common multiple there is 6. 2 3s is 6. So we write our 6, we write our x brackets plus x brackets. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, plus x times 3 into 6 goes twice. That's 3x plus 2x over 6 is 5x over 6. Here, 3x minus 2 over 4 plus 5x plus 6 over 4. Simplify that expression. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 4 and 4 is 4. And we did this last year with my first years. It's the containers, okay, the plus sign. You write what you see in here, and you write this in here. And you say 4 goes into there once, and 4 goes into there once. And you multiply through. You get 3x minus 2 plus 5x plus 6 over 4 is 8x plus 4 over 4. Here we have question 24. 3x plus 5 over 6 minus 1 over 12 minus 2x plus 3 over 4. It's 3 terms. Still we got the lowest common multiple. We set out our 3 sets of containers now, 1 per term. They're divided by the they're separated by the minus signs, and we write each part that we see in the first container. And we say 6 and 12 goes twice, 12 and 12 goes once, 4 and 12 goes 3 times, and we multiply all that out. Be careful with this, with the minus signs. 6x plus 10, that's straightforward, minus 1 minus 3 2s is 6x plus 9. So 6x plus 10 is minus 1, and then break and open this bracket, then minus by plus gives minus 6x, and minus by plus gives minus 9, all over 12. And actually that will cancel with that, those will cancel with that, the answer is 0. Okay, question 26. Express in Sims form the perimeter of the triangle if these are the lengths of the sides, okay? So the perimeter is equal to a plus 1 over 6 plus a plus 2 over 3 plus a minus 2 over 4. So you could do that kind of the way we've been doing it. Find the lowest common multiple is 12 and kind of carry on like that. 6 and 3, yeah, is 12, okay? But I just want to show you another way because we're going to be getting into the other way now shortly. But if you were to just find, if you just multiplied 3 of these together, 6 by 3 by 4 is 72, and then you multiplied every term by 72, you get this set up here. And then if you cancel, we'll be doing some ones, don't worry about it, but if you cancel, then if you say 6 into that once goes that 12, 3 once that 24, 4 that 18, and then multiply this by this, by this, by this, you'll get this expression here. And if you gather it all up, you'll get the perimeter is equal to 54a all over 72, which is 9a plus 4 over 12, I think. Yes, it should be 12. But we'll come to it in the next section, so don't worry. And here we go. Solving equations involving fractions. So solve 3x over 4 minus x over 2 equals 3. 3 terms in this problem, okay? And we're going to multiply this time. We'll do this a bit different now. We'll multiply all the terms by the lowest common multiple of the denominators, okay? So the lowest common multiple there is 4. 2 goes into 4, 4 goes into 4. So multiply all 3 terms by 4. And they'll cancel. That will go in there twice, and that will be 3 by 4 is 12. So you'll end up with 3x minus 2x equals 12. X will be equal to 12. Here we go again. 2x minus 5 over 3 equals x minus 2 over 2. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6. So multiply your 2 terms by 6 and look to cancel. And you'll end up with 2 times that and 3 times there. You have 2 times 2x minus 5 is 3 by x minus 2. X will be equal to 4. Another example, 3x minus 1 over 6 minus x minus 3 over 4 equals 4 over 3. Lowest common multiple there is, what is it? It's 12. Multiply all of them by 12. Look to cancel. 3 goes to 12 4 times. 4 4s are 16. 4 goes to 12 3 times, so you get minus 3x minus that. 6 goes in that twice, so you've got 2 times 3x minus 1, and so on. And you work that through, and you get x equals 3, and if you plug that back in here, it should all equate. Look at this problem here, page 417, question 29, 4x plus 5 over 5 plus 2x plus 7 over 2 equals 3x over 10. So 10 is the lowest common multiple of those 3, so multiply every term by 10. Okay, do onto one as you do onto the others, keeps the equation balanced. Cancel out, that goes in twice, that goes in 5 times, that goes in once. So 2 times that is there, 5 times that is here, and 1 by 3x is there. Multiply those out, x equal to minus 3. So when do we solve problems involving fractions? Well, if the sum of a quarter of a number and a fifth of the same number is 18, find the number. So the sum of two things added together, a quarter of a number, that number over 4, plus a fifth, that number is equal to 18. So now, what's the lowest common multiple? 4 and 5 is 20, so we'll multiply both terms by 20. 4 goes in that 5 times, and 5 goes into 20 4 times, and 20 into 20 goes once. So 5x plus 4x, so it's 5x plus 4x equals 360, x is equal to 40. So multiplying all the terms by the lowest common multiple is a really cool and quick way of solving these problems that involve fractions.